I will introduce you here to the timeline nodes. Any clip that you select, you will have two options here for now. You can have more options. You have the clip and you have the timeline. Clip means you are seeing all the nodes within the graph for this specific clip. If you come to timeline now, this is the graph which is empty now for the whole timeline. Any node that you add here and you apply color correction or whatever effect you apply will be applied to the whole timeline from the first clip to the last clip. Let's add a serial node here to show you how it works. I'll take this node and notice it's blue. I will hide the blue, simple like this. So now this clip has become quite blue. If you come to your thumbnail here and you right click, you can go to update all thumbnails. And you notice that an update has happened and all the clips have adopted this node or whatever grading you have done to this node. Now the timeline node is like you applied a node at the end of every clip graph. So you come here, it's like you applied it over here. So it's the last node that is executed after all the clip nodes. And the hierarchy goes like this: clip, then timeline. The timeline node can be used to apply, for example, a lot on the whole timeline, or to do the last grading, if you like, for your whole timeline. Be careful how you use them, and after you use timeline nodes, make sure you're checking every single clip. I will see you in the next lecture with some group nodes.